Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress locally on Windows 10 for free. So let's get started. If you are a web developer, you can use local environment like your Windows 10 PC to create and test the WordPress website. This way you can experience faster website loading. You can even save on domain name and hosting costs during development phase. You can even share a live link with others. The main thing to note here is that if you want your website to reach globally, then you need to buy the hosting plan to host your website. Step 1. Download WordPress software. To do that, just go to localwp.com. You will find a link in the description. There are two plans, Free and Local Pro. We are going to use the free plan and this works perfectly. Go to the top and click on Download button. Here you need to choose the operating system. There are options like Mac, Windows and Linux. If you are using Mac, then select the Mac option. For this tutorial, I will select Windows. Now enter the first name, last name, email address and phone number. Once done, click on Get It Now button to download the software to your computer. Step 2. Install the software. Now install the software. Installation is quick and straightforward. Once installation gets over, open local WP program on your computer. So this is how the program interface looks like. Now to add the new website, just click on plus icon, which is for add local site. Enter your website name. Now click on continue button. On the next screen, enter WordPress username, password and email address. Note these details as we need this while accessing the WordPress admin. Now click on Add Site button. It might take 2 to 3 minutes to set up the website. So now our website is configured. If you wish to delete or rename the website, then right click on it and you will find the options. Now click on admin option. And this will redirect you to the WordPress admin. Just enter username and password which we set earlier. So this is the backend of our website which is exactly identical to the one that we get on the paid hosting. You can access your website, install theme, plugins and almost everything that you can do with the paid hosting WordPress installation. If you want to show the website to say your friends or clients, then go to this interface and then at the bottom you will find the live link option. Click on enable link and click on copy button and now you can share this link with anyone. You can even set up the SSL by clicking this trust link and then installing the really simple SSL plugin in the WordPress. This is how you can set up the WordPress website locally. If you want to know more about how to transfer this local website to paid hosting, then comment down below and I will make a video for that as well. So that was the tutorial on how to install WordPress locally on Windows 10 for free. If you find the video helpful, then please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.